Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish my Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so today's video is another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. This is huge box. Oh my god. My baby wants to be in the video. Hello, my love.
Hello,
Say
baby.
hello. Say hello to the world. Hello, whitey world. Okay, so I'm going to cut. Let's see.
Careful not to cut your fingers.
So this. Oh, it's good. It's very easy to cut.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Okay. So it's it. So let's see what's that. What could this be? Oopsie! I need help. Oh my god. Oopsie daisy. What is this?
It's a bit bigger than I thought.
Oh.
Buying from Amazon. I don't know the exact size unless if you measure it.
So this is a table.
Yeah. I bought it to use with the barbecue.
Oh,
Because you need
see.
a table to put your stuff on, as the new barbecue hasn't got anything.
Table for outside. So I get the tiny table. So
I thought this would have been just a little bit bigger than that. But it's
yeah, this is
double the size.
This is double the size. So it's good, darling. Thank you for thinking about that. And this is metal, so it's very,
We'll keep it inside.
very.
It doesn't take up too much space.
So and if it's open, it opens like that.
Open sesame.
It opens like that. Yeah. So it's like that. Okay. Okay, so let's put it outside so we can see the size of this. So it's very nice. And that's
Don't do that until
like
you
that.
take it outside.
Yeah, I know. So this is how to make it secured. So to open it, just do it like that. Yeah. Yeah. What is it? Oh dear. What did I do?
Yeah, then you have to pull it back down to close.
Oh, to pull it down. So I not push it like that, and then push it like that, and then let's take it upstairs, outside. Oh no! So this is, you have to put this first, and then that. Yeah.
You have to remember that, otherwise it will get
Of
damaged.
course, because if you do the other way around, it doesn't click.
Yeah, and if you force it, it will get damaged.
Yeah. So that's very good.
Does this slip on, or was it just
No,
stuck?
it's not. It's like a cling film that it covers it up. Yeah. So
You
okay,
can
so
keep
let's
the box
take
and
it.
just put it in the box when we're not using it. So
Yeah.
it keeps dust free.
Yes. Okay, guys. So this is the unboxing for today. This outside table for anything. So
Barbecues,
for barbecues.
picnics.
Yes. For eating outside in the garden.
Just putting next to the barbecue when you're doing barbecue, so you can put the stuff on there.
Yeah, this is very useful. Yeah, I can use it for something else as well inside.
There's no room
Yeah.
to put it. So.
We don't have enough space in the house, guys. Everything is taken.
Yes.
Every space is every space was used, is already used. So we need more space.
Yes.
We need a new house, a bigger new house. Alright, okay guys, so this is the unboxing for today. This table, metal table, portable metal table. This is very useful.
Aluminium, I think.
Yeah, aluminium.
So it's not
And
that
it's
heavy.
very
Light.
it's very light, yeah. Not that very heavy because the metal, the this the feet is hollow inside. So it's not that heavy. So it's very good. So thank you guys for watching, and okay. Thank you guys for watching this table. Okay, love, love, love. See you in my next video. Thank you.